how to transfer assets from Binance to Phantom wallets. Now, assets, it could be one of these tokens. For example, if you have assets on Bitcoin or Ethereum or Polygon or Solana on Monad. So after that, what you need to do, so after you find the token that you have assets on your Binance, now you need to get the withdrawal address of your token that you have assets on from your Phantom wallet. Now, for example, if you have assets of Solana, what you need to do? Now, first of all, we need to get to the withdrawal address of Solana. Now, just by click on it, as you can see. And now to get the withdrawal address of Solana from your Phantom wallet, now just click on receive. Now, as you can see, you can copy the withdrawal address of Solana and now go back and open your Binance app. Now, after that, what you need to do, just tap on assets, as you can see, select the spot from the top bar and now click on withdraw. And now from the search bar, you can search for Solana by typing Sol. After you find your Solana token, now just click on it. And now here you can click on send via crypto network. So after that, you in the address, provide the address that you copy it from your Phantom wallet of Solana. And the network, it will be wallet Solana. And now the amount, you can type how much you want to withdraw or you want to transfer. Now after that, tap on withdraw. In about a few seconds to a few minutes, you will be able to receive your Solana or your assets from Binance to Phantom wallet. So this is how to transfer assets from Binance to Phantom wallet. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.